In this video, we are going to show you the 5 best chipper shredders on the market. Subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon, for latest top-rated product updates. Number 5, SonJo CJ603E. The SonJo CJ603E is an excellent pick if you are a gardener in search of a chipper shredder that can quickly convert leaves, branches, and twig into nutrient-rich mulch. With a power rating of 120 volts, this machine can chip wood as thick as 1.73 inches at the press of a button. The unit offers an incredible reduction ratio of 21:1 to shred even the smallest of leaves on your backyard. Number 4, Earthwise GS70015. The Earthwise GS70015 is a beast, one of the best-in-class chipper shredders. It will crush a pile of freshly day-cut shrub in no time. Users say it can trip an area of 12-4 in less than 2 hours. Top on the list of this machine's impressive features is the 15-amp motor that can run up to 4,500 times per minute. There's also a strategically placed hopper that allows you shred yard waste, leaves, and sticks with a diameter of 1 inch in a breeze. Number 3, SonJo CJ602E Red. SonJo continues to dominate our chipper shredder reviews, this time with the J602E. Available in a collection of 3 colors, this machine is ideal if you have lots of vegetation in your yard. It generates top speeds of up to 4,300 RPMs to effectively shred twigs and branches with a thickness of 1.73 inches. Like most SonJo chipper shredders, this one comes with a 2-year warranty, so you can buy in confidence. Number 2, WORX Leaf Mulcher. We vouch for the WORX WG430 as one of the best chipper shredders if you in a stellar performance. This thing can shred up 53 gallons per minute powered by a 13-amp motor. With such capacity, the unit makes a good choice if you mulch too often or have a large garden that requires consistent mulching. The mulch ratio stands at 11:1. In essence, this implies that this machine can chop down 11 bags into one, thanks to the revolutionary blade-less flex-line mulching system. Number 1, SonJo CJ601E. Wrapping our collection of the best chipper shredders is this unit by SonJo. Highly rated, the machine runs on a robust 14-amp motor capable of generating top speeds of 4,300 revolutions per minute. That way, you can count on this baby to prevent leaves, branches, and other waste from overcrowding your yard. The chipper is best used to shred limbs and sticks with a diameter of 1.5 inches. It will reduce debris up to 1/16 of its original size.